Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and making sure it's saved. If you don't, the rename may create duplicates. Once done, check for external links and active macros that reference the file name because those break if unchanged. Make sure you note the current folder path and file version so you can restore the original if needed. Now go to File Save As or use F12 to begin renaming. This is the first actionable step toward changing the Excel book name. You'll use Save As to rename safely. Choose File Save As or press F12. Once the dialog opens, pick the destination folder and file type use. XLSM if macros exist otherwise. XLSX. Enter the new file name and confirm. Excel creates a new file with that name without altering the original until you delete it. After saving, immediately open Workbook properties and update title and author fields, and search for links or formulas that reference the old name so you can update them. You finish by closing the original file and testing the renamed workbook. Open key sheets, verify formulas, and confirm links update correctly. Once done, re-enable and run macros to ensure they still reference the correct name or path. Update any hard-coded names in VBA if needed. If you encounter broken links or missing references, revert quickly to the backup copy or restore the original file name. Then correct link paths before attempting to rename again. This single troubleshooting tip prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.